In January 2026, two business modeling workshops were held within the Hungarian Slovenian Living Lab as part of the CROCUS project. During the business modeling workshops, ideas truly started to come alive. Building on the inspiration of the previous session, participants moved from early concept towards concrete, shareable project ideas, exploring what sustainable, cross-border collaboration could look like in practice. Using the Sustainable Business Model Canvas as a guiding framework, participants worked step by step through 5 key sections. They began by defining strong value propositions, then explored customer segments, relationships, and communication channels. From there, they identified key activities, partners, and resources needed to bring their ideas to life. Financial thinking followed, with a focus on cost structures and potential revenue streams. Finally, each group assessed the wider eco-social and cultural impact of their ideas, looking at both costs and long-term benefits. Through a series of interactive exercises from personal development and journey mapping to budgeting and impact assessment, ideas were refined, strengthened, and grounded in reality. The facilitator continuously connected to work to the Living Lab approach, ensuring that each concept remained place-based, relevant, and rooted in the real regional needs. This workshop played a crucial role in the process. It transformed promising ideas into structured building blocks and gave participants the confidence to move forward. By the end of the day, each group had developed a more complete practical project concept, ready to be shared, further developed, and taken one step closer to implementation.